China has handed a vocational education college extension project over to Rwanda after more than 2 years of construction. China aided Rwanda in building the Institute of Polytechnic Regional Center Musanze campus. Phase 1 of the project was also constructed as a Chinese donation and inaugurated in 2015. The entire project covers an area of 14 hectares. Chinese ambassador to Rwanda said the campus is another flagship achievement in educational cooperation between the two countries. An official with Rwanda's Ministry of Education said Rwanda is very thankful to China.
Education is indeed a priority area, and we're in agreement because we've been working with them. There are also other projects in the pipeline within the education sector that are going to revolutionize how we do and how we teach in the future. And so we highly regard this partnership as one of the key partnerships that we have in the education sector, and we're very thankful for that.